Storm Team 4's LaRosa is here with today's forecast. When we talk about the 30s, though.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. We're overdue.
Yeah.
I mean, the National Weather Service put out a statement. We're so far past frost,
that's what
average
we forget.
frost. They're not going to issue watches and warnings when we dip into the 30s because we're just beyond the growing season at this point. So kind of gives you an idea what we're dealing with here, because temperature-wise now, not too bad. 53 at Central Park, 52 in Poughkeepsie, 49 in Eastport, and 48 in Monticello. Looking at a few high clouds streaming in, especially north and west. We've got a cold front back here. It's enough to trigger a few sprinkles there. I think for us, we may get a few high clouds, and the winds will start getting gusty this afternoon, but end up with a lot of sunshine. Cooler than yesterday, too. 52, I should say 57 at 1 o'clock, 58 degrees by 4 p.m. And then we'll start to see the clouds come back at us by tonight for a mostly cloudy election day. I'll show you that coming up in just a little bit. But Lauren's got a lot to show you. All right, we've got a nice November 1st on tap right now. We've got a few high clouds over the city, and temperature-wise, not bad for an early November morning. We've got 52 by 7 a.m., 56 at noontime, lots of sunshine, but a little breezy, adding to that cool feel for this afternoon. And then the clouds are back in time for election day. I've got a few sprinkles or light showers possible tomorrow as well, so I'm going to time that out for you. But look at the downstep with high temperatures, only in the upper 40s by Friday. That's our next chance for some rainfall. I'll show you in the 10-day forecast. Thank you. Rainfall, no surprise there. What's adding to an incredible total for the year, though, I want to start there with right now 2021 with 57.22 inches of rainfall, obviously above average. But what's remarkable, we're 1.3 inches away from cracking the top 10 wettest years on record. So this week we've got two opportunities to pick up a little bit of rainfall, and the key word for now is little. We've got this front coming through. You see a little bit of green there on the radar. We could get a few sprinkles in by tomorrow. Today, though, that front is really going to just kick up the winds. 10 to 20 mile per hour gusts over that at times for this afternoon. So as we welcome in November on a cool note, it's going to feel a little extra cool at times when those gusts really kick in. And we've got some clouds overhead right now. The view from Brooklyn Heights, though, it is dry. 53 at Central Park, 51 in White Plains, 54 in Bridgeport. We've dipped down to 49 in Eastport and into the 40s in Monticello. So starting off, not too bad for November standards. 58 for the high, very close to average for this time of year. It'll be those northwest winds, 10 to 15 miles per hour at times. That'll add a little chill to the air, but lots of sunshine. 45 degrees overnight, but we do start to see the clouds come back. Mostly cloudy skies. The question is, if you're headed out to the polls tomorrow, will you need the umbrella? Probably not. Maybe a hood would be a good thing, because as you can see, early tomorrow we're mostly cloudy. You see a few spots of green here and there, keyword few, through the afternoon and evening, and then we're already clearing out again. And this is the next punch of cool air that's going to bring our temperatures down into the 30s.
Gala is here tracking those alerts you're going to want to pay attention to in just a second. Meanwhile, Storm Team 4's LaRosa is looking at the weather. Good morning.
Oh, good morning. We're easing into November. We have temperatures that aren't bad for November 1st. We have 53 degrees right now in Central Park, the same in Newark, Islip, and White Plains now at 51. We have a few clouds streaming in, and you see some green trying to get close. That's amounted to a few sprinkles. That is associated with the front that doesn't have much to it except some gusty winds that'll come through our area, and of course a reinforcing punch of cooler air. There are the clouds over the city now. Mostly sunny, though, for midday, 57 degrees at that point. By 4 o'clock we could see those gusts over 25 miles per hour, so make sure you're prepared for that. And then the clouds do move back in by tonight, but we stay dry today and temperatures staying in the 50s. All right, are people staying in place on certain roadways?